Flu symptoms can differ from person to person. But before we go into the symptoms, let me tell you a little bit about the flu. Influenza viruses are the cause of it. There are various varieties of influenza viruses, but the three most common ones that impact people are as follows. Influenza A, H1N1, H3N2, and so on. The most frequent are influenza A viruses, which can infect both humans and animals. They are further characterized depending on the presence of two proteins on their surface, hemagglutinin, H, and neuraminidase, N. When a new strain of influenza A virus arises, it can trigger seasonal flu outbreaks as well as pandemics. Influenza B viruses primarily infect humans and do not cause pandemics. They are also in charge of seasonal flu outbreaks. Influenza C viruses can infect humans, but they are less prevalent and usually cause milder respiratory symptoms than influenza A and B. The seasonal flu vaccine does not include them. The flu symptoms. It's crucial to remember that the flu has symptoms in common with other respiratory disorders, such as the common cold or COVID-19. However, the flu stands out for its rapid onset of symptoms, high fever, and excruciating bodily pains. Influenza is highly contagious and can cause serious consequences, especially in vulnerable groups. If you suspect you have the flu, you should see a doctor for an accurate diagnosis and to discuss treatment options. Getting a yearly flu vaccine is also a recommended preventive measure to minimize the chance of getting the flu. Here are the common flu symptoms. Temperature. A sudden onset of a high temperature is a frequent flu symptom. Flu-related fevers can range from moderate to severe. Coughing. A dry or productive cough is common. It can be annoying and persistent sometimes. Sore throat. Many people who get the flu get a sore throat, which can range from moderate to severe. Congestion, sneezing, and a runny or stuffy nose are common flu symptoms that are similar to those of a cold. Severe muscular and joint discomfort, sometimes referred to as body aches, is a symptom of the flu. Intense headaches are typical of the flu and can be incapacitating. Fatigue, extreme weariness, and weakness are common symptoms that might last for several weeks. A high fever is frequently present, along with shivering and chills. Nausea and vomiting. Some flu patients may experience nausea and vomiting, however, this is more common in children than in adults. Diarrhea. Diarrhea can occur, especially in children.
Thanks for tuning in to learn about flu symptoms. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our latest health tips and updates.